Sometimes readers have to infer what is happening from clues or evidence the author has given them because the author does not directly provide the information. When readers do this, they are making an inference. Based on the clues or evidence the author has written on these 2 pages that we just read, who do you infer Jack is talking to, and what is your evidence? Maybe you said, I think Jack is talking to his teacher, Mrs. Stretchberry, because he says he doesn't want to write a poem. So it seems like maybe she asks him to write a poem. Okay, our inference is that we think Jack is talking to our teacher, and the evidence we give is because we say he says he doesn't want to write a poem, so that we think someone has told him to do that. There is a difference between guessing and inferring. For example, we could guess what Jack's age is or what grade he is in school. The text doesn't provide any evidence to that answer. So right now, that would still be a guess. That would still be a wonder, okay, because there just isn't evidence about it yet. So what other inferences have we made so far?